Water isn't just something we drink. It's a sacred force that flows through our bodies, our energy, and the very soul of the earth. Let's dive deep. Okay, here's a weird thought. Hydrogen is invisible. Oxygen is invisible. But mix them together, and suddenly, you get water, a clear, liquid substance you can see, touch, and drink. So how does that even work? Let's break it down. Hydrogen and oxygen are both gases. On their own, you can't see them. Hydrogen is the lightest element in the universe, and oxygen is what we breathe. Neither one has color, smell, or visibility. But when you combine them in a very specific ratio, 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom, you get H2O, a water molecule. Now, a single water molecule is still microscopic. You'd never see just one. But when billions and billions of them group together, they form something visible, like a drop of water or a whole ocean. Why can we see it now? Because when light hits all those molecules packed together, it reflects and refracts, so your eyes can detect it. Now that we've touched on the building blocks of water, let's dive a little deeper. On average, the human adult body is made of about 60% water. The brain and heart are composed of 75% water, the lungs 80%, the bones between 20 to 25%, and the skin between 60 to 70% water. Today's daily meditation is this. If the building blocks of water, which are hydrogen and oxygen, are essentially gases that are invisible elements, our bodies and organs are mostly composed of water. Our Earth's surface is covered in about 71% of water. Our atmosphere is essentially water vapor. The invisible gas form of water. Is our physical reality an illusion? Could the invisible building, blocks of water, and the role it plays in our existence give us a deeper insight into our spiritual nature? Leave your thoughts and comments below. Let's talk about it.